Today we are making creamed spinach and eggs. This is a very quick and very easy recipe. It relies on frozen spinach. Of course, you can buy a creamed frozen spinach, which would eliminate an entire cooking step. I'm gonna make this from scratch because I don't like all the ingredients in the prepared product. Here are the ingredients. It's really simple. We need a little bit of chopped onion and frozen spinach. Then we need an egg, which we're gonna fry and put on top. You can of course use 2 eggs. I'm not that hungry today. And then I have a peeled potato already in salted water, which I'm just gonna boil. I'll start with putting the potato on the stove and boil that till done. My potatoes are cooked and I drained them. So now let's go for that creamed spinach. Pot's already preheating. I'm going to add some butter. And to that butter, I'm going to add my onion. Pinch of salt. Let that simmer on medium heat for a few minutes until they start to soften. Add the frozen spinach. Mine is actually thawed already. If yours is still frozen, just throw it in anyways. Go to a lower temperature, let it defrost in the pot. Will only take a few minutes longer. Let's add some pepper. And what I always like to do is add some nutmeg. You could add a little bit of cayenne if you wanted some heat in this. Just pour in some heavy cream. If you don't have heavy cream at home, but you do have cream cheese is an excellent replacer for heavy cream in dishes like this. Let's do a quick taste test. A little bit more salt. And I think that's already it. Preheat a pan for your fried egg or fried eggs, depending on how many you're making. Add a little bit of butter to that pan. Of course, you could use any other fat you like. And drop your egg in. Season your egg. Toss a little bit of pepper on. What I always like to do is add a pinch of paprika. Not because it brings so much flavor, but because it looks pretty. Of course, you could use a poached egg. You could use an egg over easy. Pretty much any egg you like. I would always have one that still has a runny yolk, because if you do like a scramble or something, sure, it would work, but it's not as good. There's a quick dinner. Let me plate this up. It's not the prettiest dish. Don't miss the sauce, because you can mash those potatoes into the sauce. It's fabulous. Throw your egg on top. And there's dinner in 15 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.